Court will note the abuse of sharp on behalf of the plaintiff was doing improv. This is the time and place set for the evidentiary hearing in two matters. The plaintiff's motion for denial of attorney time for makeup time, as well as plaintiff's.
Okay, pause right there. This isn't just a routine custody hearing. This is an enforcement hearing. That means a judge isn't here to debate feelings or relitigate custody. He's here to decide whether someone disobeyed a court order. And that changes everything. In family court, once an order exists, compliance is king. If you don't follow it, the court can use serious consequences, including jail. Keep that in mind as this unfolds.
Motion for return of the child and to enforce the orders. Or would note that the court had entered as part of the order to enforce the judgment of custody and to show cause for the comply back on July 25, 2023, stated in the order that one of the defendant shall immediately return the minor child, Ella Joe Black, the plaintiff, for his parenting time. Plaintiff has subsequently filed an additional motion. It was filed on November 27, 2023, stating that there has been an additional denial that the child is not over to. Ms. Martinez, have you in fact applied with the turnover law you aspire? And I say that only because the most recent motion, the plaintiff has contained in paragraph 17 motion various texts from you, in fact, demonstrated or showing that you do not have the intent to comply with the court.
63 days. That's over 2 months of make-up parenting time awarded in one sweep. That's a massive block of time, especially for a child who goes to school and has routines. This isn't just about punishment anymore. This is about reshaping the child's day-to-day life for the next 2 months. High-stakes decisions, real-world impact.
I did return Bella from visitations with her father until she was used by her father physically. She came home with cuts to her mouth that was returned by her pediatrician.
Notice how calm the courtroom sounds compared to how dramatic this actually is. A parent is being taken into custody over parenting time. This shows how seriously courts treat compliance. But here's the bigger question. Should allegations of domestic violence automatically pause enforcement? Or is the court right to insist on procedure first? Let me know what you think.
And that's when I stopped.
It's my understanding from the motion that CPS wasn't not succeeding.
They were at the doctor's office when the doctor showed them and confirmed to them the cuts on our daughter's lips. However, whether they followed their protocol for child abuse or not, I'm not sure.
Well, I can only assume, I don't know, but I assume they follow the protocol as they're required. But I guess the main point is, are you in fact refusing to turn the child over?
Well, as of right now, yes. The plaintiff, Mr. Bax, pled guilty to domestic violence.
Yeah,
July
that's the only point I want you to say.
Yep.
The result of your failing to turn over is court order according to your demands.
And there it is. Contempt finding. Immediate remand. This is called civil contempt incarceration, meaning she stays in jail until she complies. It's coercive, not punitive. The court is essentially saying, you hold the keys to your own cell. The fastest way out? Comply with the order. But emotionally, this feels explosive. Jail in a custody dispute. That's heavy.
The Calhoun County Sheriff, where you were incarcerated until such time as the child is turned over to the plaintiff. So you know,
as I'm in court, how am I to allow the plaintiff to know where the minor child is?
You're going to have to make a phone call and make sure whoever the child is turned over. At this point, you were incarcerated until such time as the child is.
But if I'm in jail, how am I supposed to get my child and give her to the plaintiff? I'm just trying to make sure that I know what to do.
You'll have to call somebody and let the plaintiff know where the child is.
May I ask some more questions? So we are going to follow the current parenting time order, which is from plaintiff gets our child from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. So,
The current orders have not been changed. They will remain in effect until such time as you have.
so I am to turn my child over to the plaintiff at 8 p.m. tonight.
That's the time of the trial.
Well, yeah, that is the time of the trial. Yep.
Well, in this matter, I do note that the court has previously, there are makeup many times that are required. This sharp, what are the makeup current times that are question?
Hang on, Your Honor. My client initially went without the child starting July 5th, and I believe she started to comply back with the order in August. Okay, let me just look at thing. And then she stopped complying. She stopped complying November 3rd, and has not. My client has not had the child.
So, total how many days?
Yeah. 29 the last time. 29. Okay. And then from November 3rd until now. Sorry, just 1 second.
Yeah.
You did it out. Calendar.
Yes. Actually, sorry, I was relying on his mom. She's out there, and she knows. I was going to put her up on the stand to do it. And, okay, so the first time was 29, and now my client's stating it's 34.
34 total or 34? So we have a total of 3, it looks like.
Correct.
So, Martinez, is that square with your understanding?
Yes. Yes, it is. I was just wondering if the court was going to go by its recommendations that anybody that has pled guilty to domestic violence should not have 50/50 custody of a minor child.
We are unfortunately working to that.
Is the court going to investigate because of the domestic violence? Okay.
Other agencies investigate CPS. The court is not investigating.
I was just wondering because I don't see him the court will investigate.
Court will order that the child be turned over to you have the child for these 63 days while he has been denied.
I have my ride here, so you go get the minor child and bring her here within half hour. She's only about 5 minutes from me. Court can wait half hour and have her here.
Well, say I'll have the deputy take you.
You go follow.
Holding tight. We'll see that the child.
I'm sorry, should she bring Bella here to this courtroom?
Right.
I can. There's a personal protection order against him. He continues to dressing. When my friend Cindy goes to get Bella, should she bring her here to the court?
Bring it back. You have the court. Yeah. Grab the shark and be out in the town for sure. Child go to them. At that time, once the shark finds, if he has the child, then he will allow it. Turned over to your client, is that correct?
Yes, Judge.
Court will again reiterate will remain with plaintiff for next 63 days make up the family, right? And thereafter the parties will comply with the current orders in place. Anything else?
The only issue with Your Honor is that the child goes to school, and school has given my client a hard time before because he didn't say that he was parenting time at that time. It's going to be probably the next 7 days. They have to do a 7-day order for it to go into place. So there's concern that the child won't be able to go to school because he can't drop off based off of what they believe is a trap. Not. So, but we just want to make sure she still can go to school somehow.
Oh, yeah. If you want to more than just, you know, that was all ways, you don't need it. But the fact is that you just, just have the right, take the child, got the child in valid in schooling. You got that right anyway. MCL 7.2.30.
Yes.
Yeah, don't shake unless you know the law.
I'm sorry. The only reason why it's like that is in my parenting time hours. Mr. Beck doesn't have Bella during school hours, so that's why the school has in place to follow the orders to A2.
The law states non-custodial or the parent is not the parent has the right to all information concerning schooling, doctor, etc.
Yes, inform him about anything that goes on in the school, but just to follow the order to a T. He was not allowed to drop her off at school or pick her up at 2:30 because those are not the parenting time hours.
We'll put that in the order to make sure that that's taken care of. It is allowed to drop off, whatever's necessary for the schooling.
Thank you.
Anything else?
Just that probably in the next 7 days, because it will be a 7-day order, you probably won't have the ability to take her to school. And my client just wants to, unless maybe mom can reach out and let them know. Or my client will try to reach out, but they won't follow anything without the advice.
It's up to the school.
Okay.
Not an order to go back to school.
Thank you, Anna.
Martinez, anything else?
Yes, sir. Can you tell me how this is in the best interest of the child, being that I'm a victim of domestic violence?
Yeah. File a petition.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you so much.